How to draw Isaiah Pacheco from the Kansas City Chiefs, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to begin by drawing the outline of the face. We'll begin by drawing two lines on the left and right hand side centers of the page. These first lines that we draw will help us make the jawline. Next, to draw the jaw of Isaiah Pacheco, let's go ahead and draw a line that will connect the left and right sides of what we just drew together. Nicely done! Next, let's go ahead and close off the opening by drawing the rest of the outline of the face by making an additional line. Now, on the left and right hand side of the outline of the head that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the ears of Isaiah Pacheco by drawing small rectangular shapes going up and down. Nice, so far this is a great start. So now let's go ahead and draw the outline of the hair of Isaiah. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Once we are all done drawing the hair, the next step will be to add detail to the inside of the face. We can go ahead and begin by drawing the nose first in the very center of the face. I'll begin by drawing a W-shaped line. Next, let's go ahead and draw the eyes above the nose that we just made together. When I draw the eyes, I'm going to draw two small circles that are filled in completely black with a small white dot in the center. Next, above each of the eyes that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the eyebrows. Let's keep in mind that each of the eyebrows that we draw should be very similar in size. Now, for the final step of drawing the face before we move to the lower body where we will draw the jersey, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. For the mouth that I draw, I'm going to draw a simple curved line to give Isaiah Pacheco a simple smile. Fantastic! Next, let's go ahead and draw two small lines connected to the bottom of the head. These two small lines will help us make the neck. Let's connect the two lines that we just drew by using a long curved line going from left to right. All done? If so, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the jersey. This part might be a little bit more complicated, so similar to what I said earlier in the video, be sure to pause or rewind as you need to. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. Nice! Now once we have the outline of the jersey drawn, the next step will be to draw the V line right below the neck on the jersey. After we are done drawing that V line, the next step will be to draw detail on the shoulders, which will be drawing three simple lines to help separate the colors. Great! Now let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left shoulder that we just did on the right. Nice, this looks great. Now let's go to the bottom center of the jersey where we will draw the numbers 10 for Isaiah Pacheco. We will first begin by drawing the number 1 on the left hand side. Nice! Now once we have the number 1 drawn, let's go over a little to the right and draw the number 0. Keep in mind that we want the number 0 to be very similar in height as the number 1. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Isaiah Pacheco from the Kansas City Chiefs. Keep in mind that we have other cool drawings like how to draw Patrick Mahomes, how to draw a football, and how to draw the Kansas City Chiefs logo. You can see all those great videos at the end of today's video, along with the playlist and the description of today's video. Great job today. See you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.